Hello guys. MyneCarft here. And today I'm gonna show you 3 types of how to make a refrigerator in MyneCarft Pocket Edition. So here is my chest room. Here I put the important things like command blocks and the important stuffs. Here are my building center. Here, we will build the refrigerators. With 3 versions. This is my special chest. Here are the items that we will gonna use in the first type of our refrigerator.
This is the thing you need: iron block, iron door, light pressure plate, button, dispenser, and some food you want to put in the refrigerator.
No! God, please, no! No!
This is the illustration of the version 1 of the refrigerator.
No!
Now let's go to our building room. Let's start. Put the dispenser in the bottom. The iron block at the top of the dispenser, then button on the side of the iron block. Now put the light pressure plate at the top of the iron block to design the refrigerator. The other designs will be at version 2 and 3. So watch the rest of the video. You can put the food you want to make it a working refrigerator. It's now working. You can now enjoy and use your version 1 working refrigerator. We are close to version 2. So we can sit back, relax, and enjoy our next version. The version 1 is finished. Now let's go into the version 2.